We got joints though. Got some joints.
We got some joints, man.
Got some joints.
We got some joints.
You got some joints. Let's go. Let's get it popping. Let's go, man. I'm here for it. Let's talk about some sneakers.
What's interesting is the first set of joints that I'm going to are my joints.
Okay.
And they are of the batch. Let's get these out of the way.
You knocking yours out first?
I'm knocking mine out first.
Let's go. Okay. Yep. We talked about these.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yep. I mean, we got a Vomero 5 here, baby. Very, what do they call it? It's just like an electric blue.
Racer blue.
Racer blue is what they call it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an electric blue, which is what we grew up calling it.
Yeah.
With the reflective check on the side.
Yeah.
I like these joints. These are tough.
So
these are really nice.
I wanted them. I saw them randomly on some young lady's foot in the background of a post on Instagram.
In the background
and I
of
was
the post.
like, what are those? And then happened to be in Philly, saw them and was like, yo, I got it. It's the blue, this cobalt or racer or whatever it is.
You can call it cobalt too, right? Same.
That bright blue is just crazy.
It's just it's electric.
Yeah,
That's why
man.
we called it that. I don't know why we did, but and it's. I mean, the Vomero, the details on the Vomero is just like, it's overlooked. I think the suede on the upper right here on these little pieces on the eyelets, and then on the top of the eyelets right here. I mean, it's just a quality sneaker. It is a beautiful sneaker. I love these sneakers.
Listen, when shout out to James from Tuna Fork, when he first told me about how comfortable they were, I was like, okay, I get it. I see what you're saying. And then you copped a few and was like...
I was looking at you like I was a runaway slave. Like,
absolutely.
Yeah.
And then when I finally pulled the trigger on my first pair, it's been curtains ever since.
How many you got now?
This is number 3.
Yeah, I got 3 too.
Yeah, it's number 3.
I'll probably cop these. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get these. Yeah, we're in different cities now.
Yeah.
It's all over.
Listen, with this being the last, it's all over.
It's all over now. I don't even see this nigga.
30 years. 30 years. Rules have finally been broken.
They're gone. They're gone. The bricks started crumbling out a couple episodes ago, though.
Oh, absolutely. The Sambas was where the Samba purchase is what was the beginning of the end.
What? But yeah, so it's over now. I do specifically about these. I really like the reflective check. I was wondering how that was going to look in person because I saw these online, but I was like, I don't know. And the thing about Vomeros is that a lot of the colorways look fugazi online. They look trash online, and then you can see them in person. You're like, okay, them shits is hard right there.
Yeah.
So with these, the reflective check and the black sole. I like a lot.
Now, what's really interesting is what happened for me was every picture I saw, the Nike sign was black, and I was like, I don't like black and blue. Like, it's not my thing. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. And I don't know whether it was just the way it was in the picture.
It looked black.
It looked black.
But it was reflective though.
Right, but I'm saying it wasn't until I liked the blue and I was like, man, I wish that was a different color because I thought it was black. Once I saw them in person, I was like, oh, that's, mirror or reflective.
Yeah.
I'm all the way in. I need deep pause. I need these joints.
And you're going to get a little glow in the dark with all Vomeros pretty much, like these little strips and stuff. They get the glow situation going. No, that's not 3 of them on the tongue. No, is that 3 of them on the tongue going down the stripes going down the front?
Yeah, it is.
Those 3 of them. That's 3 of them right there. You know what I mean? So it's a Vomero, baby. Beautiful. Vomero 5. You got some. You got the orange. No, you got the.
I got the light blue ones on right now. I'm just realizing that it doesn't have the suede.
Yours
right
not suede on the front
no,
like that.
Not at all.
Not at all. The orange ones like that? No, I wonder if my orange ones got that.
I got some joints that are that color, and they're not suede on there either.
My white I forgot what they're called. The white, black, and like cream joints.
Yeah.
Those got the suede. Too.
Yeah.
So those just got like
leather.
It's
just leather. Yeah. Just the whole thing is leather.
I think all orange is like that too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just as hard.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful, beautiful sneaker.
Yeah.
I mean, come on, man. This is what we talking about. You already know how I feel about these. It's tough.
They are what they are, man.
Yeah, look at that mesh.
I'm gonna kill this
Look at that
joint.
mesh right there.
And I just got a custom suit made this color.
Yeah, gonna go
Now I'm not gonna wear. Nah, no. But the plans I got, the plan I got to put this with the blazer of that suit. I can't just wear that anywhere. I have to find like a fashion show or something
Word.
to go to. Yeah. It's
like that.
It's out of the box, but it's so dope.
Yo, look at the mesh on this. It's like a satin material on
Yeah.
this. There's a shininess to the mesh.
Because these are women's. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yup. Yeah, these shits is hard, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get the orange ones when we get finished, just to look and see what they, the compare the two and whatnot, and see what they did.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yep. Come on, man.
There's that,
Man,
man.
you talking about maximum comfort?
Yeah.